In this video, we will explore how DeepSeek R1's innovative architecture is transforming AI reasoning models and how you can apply these advancements to enhance your own projects.
Welcome to our deep dive into DeepSeek R1, a groundbreaking AI model that's setting new standards in reasoning capabilities. Unlike traditional models, DeepSeek R1 offers a transformative approach that could redefine how AI interacts with data, making it a crucial tool for anyone looking to stay ahead in the fast-evolving field of artificial intelligence. DeepSeek R1's architecture is a hybrid model that combines neural networks with symbolic reasoning. This integration allows for more nuanced data processing and real-time decision-making. One of the standout features is its ability to adapt to complex environments, making it a powerful tool for dynamic problem-solving. By marrying the strengths of traditional AI with innovative reasoning techniques, DeepSeek R1 South African RAND is uniquely positioned to handle tasks that require both precision and flexibility. Traditional AI models primarily focus on pattern recognition, often limited by their training data. DeepSeek R1 breaks this mold by introducing contextual understanding, allowing it to interpret and react to ambiguous data more effectively. This results in improved outcomes, especially in scenarios where traditional models might struggle due to uncertainty or lack of data. By leveraging these capabilities, DeepSeek R1 not only fills gaps left by its predecessors but also opens new possibilities for AI applications. The benefits of DeepSeek R1 are manifold. Its increased accuracy in predictions makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from healthcare to finance. The model's flexibility allows it to be easily adapted across different domains, while its scalability ensures it can handle large datasets efficiently. Furthermore, DeepSeek R1's enhanced learning capabilities mean it can continuously improve its performance, even under challenging constraints. These advantages make it an indispensable tool for any AI toolkit.
While DeepSeek R1 offers numerous advantages, implementing it comes with its own set of challenges. The complexity of the setup requires specialized knowledge, often necessitating additional training for developers. Integrating DeepSeek R1 with existing systems can be a daunting task, and cost considerations should not be overlooked. Additionally, the need for ongoing maintenance and updates to ensure optimal performance can be resource-intensive. Despite these hurdles, the potential benefits make overcoming these challenges worthwhile.
Let's explore some real-world applications where DeepSeek R1 has made a significant impact. In healthcare, it's been used to improve diagnostic accuracy by analyzing complex patient data. Financial institutions have leveraged it for better risk assessment, while companies across various sectors are using it for real-time data analytics. Additionally, DeepSeek R1 has enhanced customer service by providing more accurate and timely responses. These case studies highlight its versatility and transformative potential across industries.
To harness the full potential of DeepSeek R1, a variety of tools and frameworks are available. These toolkits are designed to be comprehensive, offering integration with popular platforms like TensorFlow and PyTorch. User-friendly interfaces ensure accessibility, even for those new to AI development. Support for a wide range of programming languages means that developers can choose the tools they are most comfortable with. Furthermore, community-driven development ensures that these tools are constantly evolving to meet the needs of users.
As we look to the future, DeepSeek R1 is expected to play a pivotal role in the continued evolution of AI models. Its adoption is likely to increase across various sectors, driven by its potential for autonomous decision-making. As it integrates with emerging technologies like IoT and blockchain, we can expect new levels of innovation. Moreover, DeepSeek R1 will likely contribute to advancing AI ethics, ensuring that AI applications are not only powerful but also responsible.
For those ready to dive into DeepSeek R1, starting is easier than you might think. Begin with a step-by-step setup guide available through official documentation. These resources provide all the information needed to get the model up and running. Initial projects can serve as practical exercises to solidify your understanding. Additionally, community support and forums are invaluable for troubleshooting and advice. Remember, continuous learning and staying updated with the latest advancements are key to mastering DeepSeek R1.
In conclusion, DeepSeek R1 represents a transformative shift in AI reasoning models, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation. As we embrace this future, staying updated with the latest developments will be crucial. We invite you to join the AI community, explore further, and contribute to shaping the next generation of AI technology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on future topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.